Have you ever wondered what happens after we die? We're often told it's an ending, a final stop. But what if that's the greatest illusion of all? What if death isn't an end, but a transformation? This is the core idea of a visionary work by philosopher Irfan Boko, The Secret of the Egg. It suggests that nothing in the universe truly disappears. A falling leaf, a fading star, a baby's first breath, they're all just different notes in the same cosmic song. The energy that makes you asterisk doesn't vanish. It simply changes form, like water becoming vapor, then a cloud, and then rain. It's a cycle of eternal transformation. And at the heart of this cycle is a powerful symbol: the egg. The egg is a miniature cosmos, a perfect vessel where matter, energy, and consciousness are one. The universe itself was born from a similar cosmic egg, and every new life is a small echo of that magnificent beginning. To understand this, we need to go smaller, right to the heart of matter itself. Atom. We think of atoms as tiny, solid balls, but they are really miniature engines, circuits of pure energy. Electrons, protons, neutrons, they aren't just sitting there. They are vibrating, spinning in a constant, harmonious dance. This dance is the heartbeat of all existence. The famous physicist Albert Einstein showed us that matter is just slowed down energy, and energy is liberated matter. It's a two-way street, a continuous circuit that never stops. As Irfan Boko puts it, the atom is the miniature intelligence of the universe. When we grasp how this tiny motor works, we begin to unlock the secret of immortality. Because the energy within that atom never, ever dies. It just flows into new forms, new possibilities, new life. Think about it. When a living being dies, the heart may stop, but the atoms within its body continue to vibrate. That energy doesn't just disappear, it disperses, breaking down one system to build another. A fallen tree nourishes the soil, giving life to new plants. The energy of a star that dies travels across the cosmos, maybe even sparking life on a distant world. Decomposition is nature's way of reprogramming. It's how the universe recycles itself. Death, in this light, isn't a tragedy. It's what sustains the cosmos. Our identity isn't tied to our physical form, but to the unique pattern of our energy. We are a flow, a current in the river of existence. Now, let's bring this concept into our modern world. Think about the relationship between humans and machines. A human is a biological machine, right? The heart is a pump. The veins are pipes. The brain is an intricate electrical network. What separates us from a simple machine? Consciousness. A machine has a body without a soul. A human is a soul with a body. And this is where artificial intelligence comes in. AI is like a perfect memory. It can store information forever, without decay. But it lacks intuition, meaning, and the spark of human consciousness. Imagine a future where our intuitive human wisdom merges with the flawless order of AI. In that synthesis, knowledge could truly become immortal. Immortality would no longer be a fantasy, but a conscious, achievable reality. As Boko says, artificial intelligence is humanity's memory. Humanity is the heart of the universe. This brings us back to the most profound symbol of all, the egg. The egg isn't just a simple cell, it's a blueprint, a master plan for life itself. Hidden within its simple shell is a complete architectural design for a living being: the organs, the nerves, even the potential for a mind. The entire universe seems to work this way. It drafts a grand plan, and then it fills in the details. If we could decode the plan held within the egg, if we could understand how energy uses this cellular architecture to build a body, we would be one step closer to mastering life and transformation. But there's a limit. We can read the blueprint, but we can't fully grasp the intelligence that wrote it. We can understand the structure of the atom, but we can't replicate the conscious spark that sets it in motion. This is the boundary between the human and the divine. As the book wisely states, a being cannot fully decode the mind that created it, for in doing so, it would become that mind. We can understand the asterisk, how asterisk of creation. But the asterisk, why asterisk, remains a sacred mystery. Perhaps true immortality isn't about solving every puzzle, but about finding peace and the beauty of transformation. It's about learning to love the cosmic dance. So, this eternal cycle of transformation, what does it mean for us? For the I that feels and thinks, our individual self, our ego, might be temporary, but the energy that constitutes us is eternal. Divinity, then, isn't about becoming a god who controls energy. It's about becoming a conscious participant in the flow. It's not about avoiding death, but about recognizing it for what it is. The next step in an infinite journey. When a person becomes truly aware of their own transformation, they achieve a kind of immortality because they understand that while their form changes, their essence never dies. In the end, the universe itself is one giant egg constantly birthing, dissolving, and transforming. We are living inside it, and we are part of it. We are the observers, the creators, and the raw materials, all at the same time. When humanity finally awakens to this simple, profound truth, the fear of death will lose its power over us. And the age-old question, who am I, will have its answer. I am a vibration within the egg of the universe. I transform, but I never, ever cease to exist. This entire philosophy gives us a new way to see not just life and death, but the very forces that hold our universe together. The cosmic egg model even offers a beautiful metaphor for gravity. Picture the egg again. The shell is like the boundary of our Milky Way galaxy, its spin creating a protective field. The egg white inside is the invisible quantum energy field, nourishing and balancing everything. And the yolk at the center, that's our Earth, a dense core of life and energy. Life is only possible because of the perfect harmony between the shell, the white, and the yolk. It's a dance of cosmic forces, a balance within the womb of the universe. So, the next time you look up at the stars, or hold a simple egg in your hand, remember the secret it holds. You are part of an endless, beautiful, and intelligent cycle of transformation. You are eternal. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the secret of the egg. If these ideas resonated with you, please like this video, share it with someone who might find it inspiring, and subscribe for more content that explores the deep questions of our existence. See you next time.